Ever had an appliance go on the fritz for you? Didn't know who to call? I'm going to introduce you to somebody right now. So, a few weeks ago, my refrigerator back there, the Samsung, stopped putting water out through the door. Couldn't figure out what was going on, checked all the YouTube stuff, just way beyond my pay grade. So, a friend of mine, one of my clients, gave me the name and number of the Appliance Medics. So let me introduce you to John. What? This is John of Appliance Medic. He's my main man when it comes to appliances. Say hi, John.
Hi, how are you doing?
Doing great. Hey, you work on everything, right?
All major household appliances except for microwaves.
No microwaves.
No microwaves.
Okay, but washing machines?
Washers, dryers, refrigerators, dishwashers. We'll take care of it.
Super. His rates are phenomenal, folks. Just give him a call. I'll post the number, and thanks, John. Glad you got my refrigerator fixed.